Looking for a blender without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best blenders under $100, ranked. Number 5 on our list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, a fantastic blender that comes in at just $40. It's great for crushing ice surprisingly well with its wave action system, and the 40-ounce glass jar is completely dishwasher safe. Just keep in mind, it's not built for heavy daily use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Black & Decker Power Crush for just $47. This multifunction blender is perfect for your morning smoothies and shakes, featuring a sturdy 6-cup glass jar and Power Crush blades. It is a bit louder than some premium models, but it's a great value. Our number 3 pick is the nutribullet Pro, a fantastic personal blender for only $50. This compact powerhouse is perfect for a single smoothie, and its 32-ounce cup twists off with a grab-and-go lid, making your morning routine a breeze. The only catch is its small capacity, so it's not for big batches. At number 2, we have the nutribullet Full Size, priced at $85. This blender is a smoothie lover's dream, delivering silky smooth blends every time, with its powerful smart torque motor and 1,200 watts. The generous 64-ounce pitcher is perfect for the whole family, extracting nutrients with ease. And our top pick, the number 1 best blender under $100, is the Ninja Professional Plus. For exactly $100, this powerhouse boasts 1,400 watts and total crushing blades that turn ice into snow. Its huge 72-ounce pitcher is family size, and the Auto IQ programs blend for you with one-touch ease. It does take up some counter space, but it's worth it. So there you have it, our top 5 blenders under $100, with the Ninja Professional Plus taking our number 1 spot. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.